This is a female black lab, about 5 months old. Very scared to be in the shelter. So she's doing fine in the play yard. You're very cute. You are very cute. Yeah, can I take your... Look at you. This is a scared little puppy. There you go. There you go. There you go. Now you're gonna play? Yeah. Anyway, she's about 20 pounds.